Welcome back to the Designer Getting Started video. In this segment, we are going to look at Designer's 2D drawing functions. We have the part loaded from the simple solid modeling video. To get started, we will use the window pull down in the top right corner and select 2D Drawing Manager. We will insert a sheet border for this drawing. In Designer, these are called masks. I will load a generic mask from the Annotations tab at the top. Select Load Mask. In the pop-up window, choose the mask you want to load. Here, I will choose a C-sized sheet. Click Open to load the mask, then left-click to place the mask where you want it. I want the lower right corner of the mask to be on the work plane marker. Left-click to place the mask. Now we can start adding our views. From the 2D Drawing Manager window, left-click on the View icon. In the Parameters section, activate the Hidden Line in Different Style and Automatic View Orientation. Left-click on Top to add a top view of our part. Click the blue check mark to create the view. Left-click in the Graphics area to place the view where you want it. Now we can create some dynamic views. Activate the Dynamic View Creation tick box and click the blue check mark to create the views. Select the main view we already placed, then slide the cursor to the right. You will see a red arrow appear indicating the direction of the dynamic view. Left-click to confirm, then left-click again to place the flipped-out view. Repeat the process to place another dynamic view below the part. Right-click to complete the command. Now we will add a section view. Click on the section icon in the 2D Drawing Manager. Click the blue check mark to start creating this section. Select the view that you want the section to be cut through. Then in the Filters area, select By 2 Points, then the Center filter. Pick the centers of the holes. Then, left-click again on the hole center to place the section line on the center of the hole. A red arrow will appear indicating the direction of the section view. If you want to change the direction of the section view, press the spacebar. We will leave the section view direction as is. Right-click to confirm. Position the section view where you want it and then left-click to place it. Now we will add a scaled detail view. In the 2D Drawing Manager, click the View icon. Make sure Dynamic View Creation is not checked, then scroll down to the Detail section. Set the detail scale to 3. Click the 3-dot icon at the end of the name line to start creating the detail view. Select the view you want to create the detail view from. Our view type is set to circle, so click a point to place the center of the view. Left-click a point for the radius of the circle view. Our detail view is created. Position the view where you want it and left-click to place. Now let's add some dimensions to the part. From the Annotations tab, click Element. We can change the color of the dimensions by clicking Color and selecting a new color. To place the dimension, select a point to start the dimension, select the end point, then left-click to place the dimension where you want it. Now place a vertical dimension for the part. And we can put another dimension down here. We can place a radius dimension just by clicking on the radius, then left-clicking to place it. Right-click to close the command. From the Annotations tab, click Angle to place an angular dimension. Pick 2 points, then left-click to place the dimension. Right-click to close the command. We can also place notes with a leader line. From the Annotations tab, click Text Leader. Pick a point to place the arrow, then pick a point to place the leader line. A menu will appear for you to enter your text, adjust sizes, and change the font. Click OK to complete the text with leader line. Right-click to close the command. If you want to edit the leader line text, click Edit Dimension. Pick the dimension you want to edit, then right-click to confirm. In the Selection menu, click Properties. The text menu will reappear and you can make any edits you want. When trying to place a dimension, it may be difficult to get the dimension you want. As we see here, Designer is trying to do a straight line dimension between the 2 points when we really want a vertical dimension. We can force a dimension direction from the Element Dimension menu by picking a dimension type. Here, we will select Vertical and place the dimension that we want. You can move the text to the dimension by pressing the space bar before you place the text. This allows me to move the text outside of the arrows. These have been just some of the dimensioning options available in Designer. As always, we hope you found this Getting Started video helpful and would like to encourage you to explore all the features Designer has to offer.